Hello, this is a quick description of the design principle control. I'm going to take you through some Photoshop system accommodations to go through this principle of control. So control is the level of control provided by a system that should be related to the proficiency and experience level of the people using the system. Well, in many cases, that proficiency level varies. It might be very low if you've never used Photoshop, and it might be a very experienced user who does not want to go through the extensive finds of certain tools, and they want shortcuts. So Photoshop is a perfect example of the principle of control. So here's an old photo of me and my husband and my dog, and I'm going to show you basic controls and then shortcuts to kind of give you the sense of that varying degree that the designers built into this program. So there's a few things I can do. Let's say I want to make a selection. I'm going to go ahead and go to my quick selection tool here. And as you saw, by the way, if I leave my arrow on that tool, the program will actually show me how to use it if I'm a beginner. Now, if I don't want to do that, I do not have to hit Learn How, right? I can skip that. I already know how to use Quick Selection Tool and start using it. So I'm going to go ahead and make a selection of myself. Okay. And then I'm going to copy. So I'll go to Edit up at the top and hit Copy. And then I will open a new layer and paste that copy. As you can see, I went up through my editor. Okay, now it has been pasted. I'll move it so that you can see, and I'll give my husband my head. All right, so I can do that same movement in a much quicker way, right? So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that layer. I'm going to go ahead and step back. By the way, I'm hitting Command Z, and that is stepping me back a couple steps, which is a control that the programmers and designers of Photoshop have given me. I understand this program, and I know that instead of going up to Edit and stepping back in history, I can just hit Command Z back about 18 times and step back to where I had the selection I wanted. Now instead of going to Edit Copy, I'm going to hit Command C. Oop, make sure I'm on the right layer. I'm going to hit Command C. I'm going to highlight layer 2, and then I'm going to hit Command V. And then Command V has done the exact same thing. So that's an example of a control that has been designed into a program that offers capabilities to beginners, intermediates, and advanced. Okay.